your arms up. Exhale, twist right side. Hold the right knee with the left hand, right palm on the ground. Looking back over right shoulder. Keep your back straight and twisting. Breathing. Namaste. We are practicing for scoliosis to preventing, and if you have, you will get better. There will be some breathing and some simple yoga poses. Plus sitting into any easy, comfortable pose. Hands to your knees, index finger with your thumb, eyes closed. Few deeper breathings. Big exhale, big inhale. Next, inhale, let's raise your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. Now, inhale, raise your arms up, lift. And as you exhale, twist right side. Hold your right knee with left hand, right palm on the ground. Look back over right shoulder. Few deeper breathing here. Next inhale, raise your arms up. And exhale, twisting left side. Hold your left knee with right hand. Looking back over left shoulder. Eyes closed. Breathe deeper. Next inhale, raise your arms up. Lift. Exhaling, arms down. Let's pressing palms to your knees, moving the spine or rib cage side to side. This is really good. Good for your spine. Also very good for your digestive organs. Keep going side to side. Very nice. Inhale, coming to center, lift crown. And exhale. Next one is keep right palm on the ground, right side. You can walk your right hand a little bit forward. And just feel where is that opening happen. Maybe that is enough. Then inhale, raise left hand up. Touch the index finger with your thumb. You can just hold here and breathing into left side. Breathing into spine. Inhale up and exhale, slowly coming out of the pose. Let's do the same thing on left side. Keep left palm on the ground. Walk left hand left side. Try to do same way. Please don't go too far either side. Just go where is the right for you. Inhale, raise right hand up. Touch index finger with your thumb. Exhaling. Going left side. Breathing deep. Long exhale, long inhale. Soften your side muscles. Relaxing your spine. Breathing deeper. Next inhale. Exhale up, down. In scoliosis, one side will get more deeper and one side is less. So you try to do the both sides same. Don't do the one side it's easier, don't go that deeper. Which side is a little bit harder? That side you go a little bit more longer and hold into the deeper where it is. So let's try now. Let's make a circle. Left to right. Make a circle with your nail, with your spine. Right to left. Right to left. Very nice. Let's switch direction. Left to right. And inhale, coming to center, lift, lift. And exhale. Next one we're doing Jakiriya. Breathing is really good for increasing blood circulation, activate your respiratory system, and allow to make your breath longer. So next pose, so you can breathe directly into your spine. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Hold breath in for a moment. And exhale, arms down. Breathing deep and slow in your spine. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, twist right side. Hold the right knee with the left hand, right palm on the ground. Looking back over right shoulder. Keep your back straight and twisting. Breathing. Next inhale, raise arms up. Lift. Exhale, twisting back side, hold the left knee, right hand. Looking back on left shoulder. Breathing into your spine. Next inhale, raise arms up, up. Exhale, arms down. Let's bring hands back. Hold your left wrist with your right hand. And as you exhale, holding for more. Try to touch the forehead to the ground if it's possible. Or keep palms underneath of your forehead. Mm. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale. Now let's change the wrist. Hold your right wrist with your left hand. Inhale up. Exhaling forward. Soften your shoulders, soften your neck. Longer breathing in your spine. Inhale up. Exhale. Hands to your knees. You breathing deeper with eyes closed. Namaskar Mudra. One moment. Shanti. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste. Have a beautiful, happy day. If you want a bit more about yoga, please you can go to akhandayogaonline.com. There is many different types of yoga classes for you. Have a beautiful, happy day.
Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayama, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.